In this video, we're going to do some combustion practice problems. So hopefully you try these yourself first, and then you can just check your work using the video and give yourself some feedback. So write the skeleton equation for the complete combustion of propane gas. Balance the equation. So we'll start off with a skeleton equation. It says complete combustion. So right away you need to know when you hear complete combustion that you're taking that fuel and you're reacting it with oxygen. And since it's a complete combustion, you know the products are going to be CO2 gas plus H2O gas plus energy. And that would be your complete combustion. Now remember, this is a skeleton equation right now. It hasn't been balanced yet. So we're going to balance the equation. I usually start with the carbons. We need 3 carbons. We need 8 H's. Now we have to look at our oxygens. We have 6 plus 4. So that's 3 times 2 plus 4. That's 10. So we just need 5 oxygens like that. And now we're balanced. All right. Now we're going to try the same thing, but this time it's going to be an incomplete combustion for propane. So let's try that out. Same initial setup. We have C3H8 gas plus O2 gas produces CO2 gas plus H2O gas plus carbon monoxide gas plus soot solid plus energy. So now we just need to balance this equation. And let's take a look. So we have 3 carbons already on both sides. We need to worry about our H's right now. So on the right side, I have 2, 3, 4 H's. Or sorry, 4. How many H's? 2 H's. Whereas on the left side, I have 8 H's. So I'm going to put a 4 over here. And so when I do that, I now have 2 plus 6. 2 plus 4 is 6 oxygens plus 1. That's 7 oxygens. So I'm thrown a little bit off there. So I need to somehow manipulate the equation to allow me to get 7 oxygens on the left side. There's a couple ways you can do that. You can do the trick we learned earlier. You can do 3.5 and then multiply everything by 2. And if you do that, you get 2C3H8 gas plus 7O2 gas produces 2 CO2 gas plus 8 H2O gas plus 2 CO gas plus 2C solid plus your energy. And we can go and check if everything works out. So we have 6 carbons. Over here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. We have 2 times 8, that's 16 hydrogens, 16 hydrogens. We have 14 oxygens, so that's 4 here, plus 8 here, that's 12, plus 2, 14. So that is our balanced equation for the incomplete combustion of propane gas. The next one is another type of question. It looks, so if you read it carefully, upon burning a marshmallow, a black solid substance develops on it. Based on this detail, is the combustion of sugar within the marshmallow an incomplete or complete combustion? Explain your answer. So not everyone has burned a marshmallow before. If you haven't, you can easily go Google it. It's a common activity people do if they go camping. If you're a big camper, you might have done it. If not, you might try it one day. You just put the marshmallow on a wooden stick, and then you put it in the fire and you roast it. And it burns. The sugar inside the marshmallow burns as a result of that. So we're basically, the sugar is the fuel, and then we have oxygen in the atmosphere. We got a little bit of heat there to kind of speed up that reaction, and the reaction happens. So the big hint here is a black solid substance that forms. So you probably gravitate towards that piece of evidence there. That black solid substance is soot. So we know that the burning of sugar is an incomplete combustion And the evidence behind it is that the black solid produced is soot, which is this solid carbon. And so that's my piece of evidence there. We have an incomplete combustion because a black solid produced is soot, and then soot is produced during incomplete combustions. So you don't have to write that much. Just write down the answer. It's an incomplete combustion. Write down the evidence and just briefly summarize that evidence. Soot is produced during incomplete combustions, and you're done. You don't have to write big paragraphs. Nice and simple, to the point. It shows you understand the question, and it's less stress on you to have to come up with a bunch of words to really fill out a page. You really don't need it. It's more the quality as opposed to the quantity. So in this video, we did some practice problems regarding combustion reactions. If you were able to do all the problems on this page, you can try some of the homework. You, again, don't do all the questions. Do as many as you feel you need to do to be comfortable, and make sure you're checking your answers to give yourself some feedback. If you struggle with the problems on this page, please make sure you rewatch the videos to try them out again until you can do them without any assistance.